May mga sabon, Vaseline at Lux.
I heard okay?
Daddy and Elijah's done.
It's a truck.
It's a truck. And this is all our stuff na naka-ready nang ilagay sa luggage. Where's Sisi? And this is mine here. Sa black yan siya kasi yung luggage ko is black. Tapos yung isa is kay Anthony. And there's more here. So yung mga dadalhin nga namin or yung mga pasalubong para sa taga-Pinas, dyan siya sa malaking luggage. Kasi mag-check-in yan siya. Tapos yung dalawa, black and blue, is a 4-hand carry namin ni Anthony. So yung lagay siguro namin dyan yung mga gamit lang namin na hindi masyadong mabigat ba. Kasi hand carry, diba? So ito yung mga for pasalubong, mga sapatos, shoes for the kids na nabili namin ni Mama.
Okay.
Where's Elijah? Oh, you're there! And this is our chocolates nga. Medyo hindi naman siya as in talaga marami. Pero okay na yan. Para may mabigyan lang talaga or makadala lang din for pasalubong. Na din na because we're gonna put this first. The chocolate ko si Elijah. Uy, sobrang
Don't put
cheeky
the
boy
chocolate
niya.
in there.
Yeah.
Daddy, it's mine. It's my chocolates. Oh, this side. This side. This side. Start your mom now so we can drive the car. Get away, my Here.
Thank you.
Here. Okay? Up and beep beep. It's a happy. I'm going home. Go. This. Go. I heard okay?
Daddy and Elijah's done. You're done, okay? Daddy.
Hey, it's that.
Who's Daddy? Then, may mga ganito pa pala ako, which is not good kasi wala na akong malagyan. Tapos na yung blue, at ang dami pa nito. Sa bathroom ko nga siya nilagay. So, buti lang na, ano ko siya, na-remember ko. Yung mga perfume ba na ipamigay ko din dun sa amin. Then, may mga shower gel din. Na siguro, uy, ewan ko ba, ma, kaning mga shower gel ba kasi siguro kailangan pa siyang i-tape. Hindi lang ako sure kung hindi na siya malagay. Huwag na lang siguro. Ito na lang para wala na. Hindi na ako magti-tape. Then, ito din. Iwan na lang yan siya. May mga sabon, Vaseline at Lux. Hanapan ko yan ng malagyan. Itong luggage ko, siguro maglagay ako dito kahit konti. Mga shampoo at conditioner. Then, the shower gel. Hindi ko na lang siya ilagay. Kasi, mag-tape pa ako. Tapos, wala na din. Hindi na siya kasha. May mga shoes pa nga ako sana nadadali or sandals. Ewan ko lang kung saan ko to ilalagay. Gusto ko siyang dalhin for myself. At ito din pala, oh. Hindi na siya nasali. Bale, nag-order ako nito. Ito siya yung first order ko, malaki. Tapos, pinalitan ko ng maliit. Kaya sana is ipapadala ko din to sa Pinas or dadalhin ko ba for the pasalubong. Pero wala na, hindi na siya makasya. Isang blue na malaki, maliit na blue din, and black. Yan yung dala namin. At ang dami ko pang gustong dalhin, pero hahanapan ko pa siya ng paraan kung ano ba, kasi meron pa ako dun, oh. Ay, naku na lang. Sisi. I think this is good for her, oh. For a baby girl. What else here? Para sa mainit na panahon. Kasi nga, sobrang init daw sa Pinas. So, kailangan ng sleeveless. Wala namang ibang kulay, uy. Pang lalaki man siya, uy. Yeah, I'm here. Wait. Yeah, I'm here. What are you looking here? Clearance also. Yeah.
Yeah. Underneath your bloody pants now, look.
For me?
Yeah, you got underneath your
Yes,
dress.
same. Hanap-hanap what is good for damit ba sa Pinas na comfortable yung mga bata. Thick? Not thick. There's one here, oh, Dada. 12 to 18 for sissy girl. Yeah? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Kasi si Elijah, marami na siya dun sa bahay. Mga t-shirt,
Yeah.
sleeveless. So, si Sisi na lang yung kulang.
Isn't that the door?
Yeah, $4. Yeah. I love my mommy. Wow, very nice.
How many you want?
Wala, ang dami na napili ni Anthony. Oh. That's a big one.
That's too big for her.
Hey, what are you doing there, Elijah?
What else?
6 to
That's too small
12.
for her, isn't it?
It's too small. 0 to 3, that one. You need
do I
red color for her.
Colour. What colour was it? Red, you said?
Yeah. Can you please hold this, Elijah? Be?
That might fit her. 12 months.
Yeah. Natagbaw na siyang pamili, oh. Wala kasi kami masyadong mapili kasi pa winter na dito sa Australia. At yung mga display nila, halos-halos mga ganito na, oh. Kaya ang hirap maghanap, lalo na for sissy girl. Kadalasan nila is mga long sleeve na for winter stuff. And we're going to Pinas kasi, so kailangan ng mga ganitong style.
Yeah,
Yung warm or cold siya ba?
This is for church.
Pang cold.
Oh, some special too.
Oh yeah. So that's it, honey. Uy, for Sisi.
Here you go, enough
Too
still?
much now, yeah.
Right, let's go.
Uy, let's go. Yeah, for Sisi. Sisi.
Let's go. Forward. Oh, please. Stop.
Okay.
Oh, actually, yeah. Pick it up.
Very cute. Huh?
You fitting?
Not fit that one.
You fitting?
Look at this. This is from here. Oh. No, there's no more left now. Oh, for the orange.
Please? Yeah. Hey, for Sissy.
Is it nice?
Yeah, the one's there, didn't you?
Wow.
This is mine. This is mine, okay?
You already got a pair at home, haven't you, still?
Yeah. It's there in your bedroom.
Yeah, it's for Sissy, mate.
No,
Get them or not for her?
Yeah, it's up to you.
no, it's gone.
Look at us, Silay.